guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea, and if you're new here, welcome. For today's video, we have a BOXYCHARM unboxing. This is the April base box, and I have not even opened it yet because I'm so excited to see what goodies I got. It literally just got delivered to my house, and we're gonna open it up together and see what I got, and of course try everything on because as you can see, my face is completely bare. So if you want to see what I got in my April BOXYCHARM, just keep watching. All right, so this is the little card right here, and theme is sweet treats. I'm guessing because we are in spring, so a lot of pastels and candy. So here is the box. The first thing that I see is the KNDR Glow highlighting palette. So let's open it up, and this is what it looks like. It is the KNDR Glow highlighting palette, and it retails for $15. Ooh, I think I'm gonna be using a combination of these two probably. This looks a little too dark for me, but nevertheless, let's keep seeing what I got. Okay, so I got a Get Gleaming Body Glow Illuminator from ELOISE. Ooh, Body Glow Illuminator. I'm all about that. So good thing I'm wearing this kind of shirt, because what I'll do to show you guys is probably just put it all over my neck and my collarbones, and I'm excited to try this out as well. Ooh, this feels very heavy. Like, it looks expensive. Okay, let's read about it. So this is the ELOISE Beauty Get Gleaming Body Glow. It retails for $38, and it is a non-sticky and lightweight luminizer that can be applied to all areas. Oh, it can be applied to the face as well. Okay, nice. And it's transfer proof. Good. Okay, I'm excited about this one, especially for the summer. Going to the beach, wearing a bathing suit, and putting it all over the body. Yes. Okay, the next thing I see is the STUDIOMAKEUP Tinted Moisturizer. So let's go ahead and take this baby right out. I don't know why I have a feeling that this is expensive as well. Yes, it is. STUDIOMAKEUP Tinted Moisturizer. A tinted moisturizer with a light to medium coverage, formulated with hyaluronic acid to combine hydrating skin care benefits with lightweight coverage and a glowy look. Yes, yes, and more yes, because I have dry skin, so I do need moisture and a glowy look for sure. And this retails for $35. Next up, I have the Monarch Lash Pack. 2 pairs of eyelashes right here. They retail for $38, and they look so beautiful. I am like shook. So the top lash is called Baby Girl, and it's an angled lash for an iconic cat eye effect. And the bottom lashes are called Charmer, and it's a round lash for an instant doll eye effect. You know what's funny? Today I had my 1-month post-op appointment from Lasik, and I didn't ask if I could wear eyelashes, but I'm pretty sure I can. So you know what? We're gonna be trying out these babies. And lastly, we have the FARMACY Ultra-Hydrating Face Oil. Yes, okay. And I think I tried FARMACY before. I'm pretty sure I tried it on camera, and this is what it looks like. And this one is a fast absorbing face oil that delivers intense hydration and helps to smooth the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Good, because I'm almost 30 and I can see a little bit of eye wrinkles over here. Ooh, this retails for $48. Okay, so of course at the end of the video we'll add everything up, but I feel like we got a pretty good box, and I'm really glad we haven't even moisturized. I literally haven't done anything to my face because I didn't know what was in the box, and I was really excited to open it in front of you guys. So let's go ahead and start trying everything out. We're going to be so glowy today based on everything that we got, and you know what? I'm not mad at it. And by the way, I remembered, yes, I did get a FARMACY product before. It was a moisturizer, and it's about to be empty. That's how good it was and how much I've used it. Let me show it to you actually. Okay, so this is the moisturizer I received on my very first BOXYCHARM, and look at how much there's left. So if it's as good as this, because it's the same brand, I'm really hoping to like this as well. I already feel so glowy. By the way, I'm having a really good skin day, so I hope nothing that I tried today does anything to affect that, because my skin has not been this smooth in a while. Let's go ahead and apply now the Studio Makeup Tinted Moisturizer. Let's see how tinted it is. You're gonna come out? Is it invisible? Is there something covering it? Oh, no, there's nothing covering it. It's just not coming out. What is happening here? What the f? Okay, well, this is the way I had to do it, upside down. That was very frustrating, but okay. It also does look a little bit dark, but let's see. Let's just blend it out. You see that? It looks a little bit dark. Ooh. It smells like the beach. Oh, this is bringing me back to Venezuela. It smells like coconut. Oh my god, it brought me back. Isn't it crazy how smells bring us back? Oh my gosh, it smells so good. And I feel so glowy. Whew. I might have applied too much, but you know what? This was so frustrating to get out. My skin looks so healthy though and glowy. I am shook. Okay, I'm just gonna wait a couple of minutes. I think I'm gonna do the rest of my face off camera. So when I come back, we can try the highlighter, the lashes, and the little body oil. So I'll be right back. I'm back. Did you miss me? Nope, because you didn't even notice I was gone. But I did not apply foundation. I just left the tinted moisturizer and I feel like it looks really good. Let me go ahead and zoom you guys in so you can see how the face is looking. So everything went on very smoothly on it. The blush, the bronzer. My skin just feels very moisturized and very smooth. Like I feel like it's so buttery soft. Everything went beautiful on it. No complaints there. My only complaint is in the packaging component itself because it took so long to pump this out. But other than that, I feel like I was able to blend it out and it doesn't really look too off. And because it smells so good and it looks so good and I feel very fresh and glowy, I'm just so ready to like go to the beach. That is the vibe I'm getting. I'm ready for the beach. So I applied mascara, I applied lipstick, which by the way, I feel really weird with lipstick on because tell me if you're the same way. But for me, applying lipstick is the last thing I do when I do my makeup because it ties everything in. So I feel very weird having it on already, but nevertheless, let's keep going. So I'm going to be applying the highlighter now. I think I'm gonna mix these two shades right here because they are the lightest ones. Again, I feel like this one especially, it's a little bit too dark for me. This one still might be a little dark. So what I'm gonna do is mix the first two, the marble one and the more gold one. Pretty, very pretty. It is intense. I wouldn't say this is a subtle kind of glow. It's pretty intense, which works for me because I do like intense highlighters and I like the combination of the two. I feel like it looks really, really nice on the skin. And let me apply just a little bit and under the chin. Just why not? We're already glowing. Why not a little more? It looks beautiful. Next, let's go ahead and try the lashes. I think I'm gonna use the top lashes because the bottom lashes, I feel like those are a little bit, you know, too in your face and I would probably use that more for a night out, if anything.
But you do you.
If you feel like using the bottom lashes for an everyday look, you can do that. That was totally me with my eyelash extensions. They looked really huge, so. And they do look a little bit long, so as always, I usually have to do this anyway. And I'm just gonna cut a little bit off of the lashes. And I am going to be using the lash applicator that it comes with. I usually just use my tweezers, but I'll be using it since it comes with it anyway. For the lash glue, I'm gonna use this Kiss lash glue that I have. Now, y'all are just gonna have to bear with me because I haven't used regular lashes in a long time. I used the magnetic ones for a little while before I got my Lasik done, and then it's been over a month without any lashes on my face, and now we're back to regular lashes, and I don't know, this might take me a little bit. Okay, success. We have one eyelash on. Definitely does give you that little cat eye effect. I struggled so much putting it on. Let me just put the other one on. Okay, the lashes are on and it's not the best eyelash application I have ever done. You know what? I'm done. They're there and they look pretty cute. I'm sure they'll look even better on someone who can put them on better than I did, but they look pretty good and very natural, which is what I like. So let me zoom you guys back out so you can see me apply this little body illuminator. Okay, so I'm gonna put some on my, actually let's put some on my hands and then I'll apply it all over. Let's see if this pump takes as long as the other one did. Nope, it's right there. I'm not gonna grab too much now just because I don't know how it's gonna look. You guys see it? I see it. I see it in person. I wonder if you can see it on camera. It's beautiful. It's really sparkly. My skin feels very nice and soft. I cannot wait to use this, and I'm actually really glad that this was in this BOXYCHARM box because I used to have something similar from Anastasia. I'll insert a picture so you guys can see. Years and years ago, and I loved it and I went through it and I never repurchased it. So this is definitely something that I'm going to be using when I wear shorts, when I wear skirts, when I wear dresses, because I love applying body illuminators to my body. So I know for a fact I'm gonna get a ton of use out of this. This is the completed look with the April BOXYCHARM box. What do you guys think? I am very happy with every single item that I got. I'm kind of upset I didn't get one of the Natasha Denona palettes, but it's totally okay. I did get some goodies as well. So I'm going to be adding all of these up and we will see the total. So we have the face oil retailing for $48. We have the STUDIOMAKEUP Tinted Moisturizer retailing for $35. We have the ELOISE Beauty Get Gleaming Body Glow retailing for $38. We have the Lash Pack retailing for $38 as well. And then we have the highlighting palette retailing for $15. And the grand total is $174 and I only paid $25. So the difference is $149. Honestly, I am blown away by this month's box. And what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Hit that little bell so you never miss any of my videos. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!